lesson is how to use am. When we make a sentence, we have to use this order: subject plus am plus noun no adjectives. Number one, I am a doctor. I can say I am a doctor. We use a because doctor is the only one person, therefore we have to use a in this sentence. Number two, I can say I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am a farmer. In this sentence we can see subject plus noun. Subject plus noun. Subject, noun. Subject, noun. Subject, noun. Next, we can identify subject plus adjectives. I am happy. I am happy. I can say I am happy. I mean subject, happy mean adjective. I am sad. I am sad. Sad mean adjective. I am ill. Or I am sick. Both are the similar meaning. I am good. I am bad. I think now you can understand my lesson. Today our lesson is over.